Good day to you. This is Profiting Forex Trader coming your way. How you doing? Yeah, I just want to show you one indicator that I use this morning to place trade, and just make sure you follow my YouTube channel, subscribe, and like the video. And if you need this indicator, just comment and I'll send it to you. Uh, this is how this indicator works. As far as I have checked, it does not repaint, but I'm not saying that 100% might not disappear. But as far as I have seen, it does not. So let's just go back a bit and check. I placed this trade because of this arrow on 15 minutes, and let's go back and see. So here is another one for a buy signal, and most of the time you have to squeeze your chart so that you see the arrow. And here is this for a buy, and here's another one for a sell. Despite the fact that the market went against it to the upside, but it didn't disappear. The market went up from here, yet it didn't disappear. Here's another one for a buy, another one for a sell, a buy. So this is it, and most of the time you have to check the time frame that actually suits your trading style. With what I have seen, it doesn't work well in all the time frame. Just check the pair you want to trade and check it out if it will work well on that time frame. Yes, 1 hour. Also, we have sell here, a buy. So just make sure you check it. There is another buy, a long one. Here is a sell, and the market went up, but this did not disappear and jump to this point. So this is 1 hour. Let's check 5 minutes. And yes, 5 minutes. We have a signal here, and that's why I picked this trade in the first place. And yes, another buy. This is 15-minute time frame. We have one buy here. So yes, another sell. Now let's check another pair. This is ever 40. All right, I placed this trade also because of this signal generated here on 5 minutes, and almost at my take profit right now. Here's another buy. Here is buy, sell, and buy. And there is another buy. Discovered that this thing actually went up, but this did not disappear. It didn't disappear. This one actually went up a bit also to this point, and this guy didn't jump to this point. The arrow did not jump. So this is how I use this indicator. If you need it, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comments and I will send it to you. Make sure you join my Telegram group also. You can chat me there directly. You can chat me up there directly. Yes, another time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes. That's why I placed this trade on UK also. UK 100. So that's why I placed the order there. So just make sure you subscribe and you have the indicator free of charge. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading.